Today I show you an Amazon haul or whatever how it's called. I got a package from Amazon and I wanted to show you what I ordered. I have 2 orders on Amazon going on now, and from both of them the most important thing was not sent. They sent the things that they could as soon as possible and it was really quick, but a graphics card RTX 5080 MSI Ventus and the Asus router, can't remember the model number, BT92 something, it was the 92, the Wi-Fi 7, the Asus router BT92, Wi-Fi 7 and the RTX 5080. They were the most important things in the packages, in the orders, and they were not sent yet, but I'm hoping soon they will be sent and delivered. But these are the things that were extras. I had a few things in the cart. I like to keep some things that I'm interested in the cart, and when I order something I order them together, because here the Amazon shipping is not free, so I have to pay for the shipping. This is not a sponsored video. We bought these with our own money, so you will see unboxing videos and tests and everything from a user perspective, not a sponsored video in any way. So let's see what's inside here. There's a pull tab, so I could do this like that, easier, but you could also open it like this, I guess. So let's see what's in this bag. Okay, first thing, I have a cable, USB-A to USB-C right angle cable for the speed editor to keep it on the keyboard. Then don't know what's this one. I'm trying to feel it. I don't remember what I ordered here. I guess this is a mystery unboxing with this one, because I'm trying to feel what it is, and I don't know what it is. This thing, compliant power supply, I don't know. Hi-Fi dock Bluetooth adapter. Yeah, it's a Bluetooth adapter for the car. I'm trying to convert 30-pin iPod to Bluetooth. Let's see if that works. That's the Bluetooth adapter box. It's more of a bag. Oh, this one looks premium. Okay, Silkland. I like the package on this one. It's very nice. And this is for the camera here. Silkland micro HDMI to HDMI 2.1 cable, 2 meters, 8K at 60 frames per second. It's capable of doing lots of things. It's going to replace this cable. This is the HDMI cable that goes from the camera to the monitor in front of me here. It's just right there. And it's gonna be longer, so it's easier to use. But it has to be micro HDMI because the camera is micro HDMI. Let's see what's there. What else is more interesting? Some kind of adapters. I bought a few adapters. These are the HDMI to DisplayPort or DisplayPort to HDMI. So DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. Very little nice adapters for the RTX 5080 when it arrives, to have extra HDMI ports. I don't have any screen with the display adapter, with the DisplayPort, so I might need extra HDMI ports. Oh, I already have one of these things, and I bought this second one because I kind of sometimes have problems with the LG monitor. Sometimes the screen goes blank, and I have 2 screens here. I want to be able to turn off, to switch sources for both screens depending on the device is connected. So this one can be okay, so you have either 2 inputs and the output is the fixed cable and that goes to one screen, or you could have 1 input with 2 screens, but it will switch between 1 and 2. It will not show both of them at the same time. This is from Ugreen, and it should have extra frame rates up to 4K 60, but I hope it's 1080p, at least 120, because that's the screen now, 120. Let's see about that. Okay, one more thing here. This one, I want to try to use it for the car in case the Bluetooth adapter doesn't work. 2-in-1 audio adapter. It's USB-C, then you have a USB-C and audio, so you can you can listen to music or play music from some device and charge it at the same time, and even high-res audio. This one was not cheap actually, so I really hope this works. Actually, the Bluetooth would be nicer if it works. And on Amazon Basics, DisplayPort to HDMI cable, 4K, maximum 60 frames per second, made in Vietnam. This is information of the product. I like these Amazon Basics products. They're very simple, but I have a memory card that's this brand and it's really amazing how it works. This is 1.8 meters. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. So that's the box empty. I'll make unboxing videos and I'll try all these things in future videos. I hope this was interesting for you to see what's in this order. Thanks for watching.